Hello guys, welcome to another short tutorial on Angular. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install and use Bootstrap in our Angular application. As you know, Bootstrap is a front-end framework which provides us more flexibility in our application, which gives more features which can be used in our application for very quick development of our application. So let's see how we can install and use Bootstrap in our application. Currently in our application, I have added one component for a Bootstrap example and I have compiled that one, and you can see there is a simple content which is added by the Angular application. So before installing Bootstrap, let's add some of the content and see how it will look before applying Bootstrap to that one and after applying Bootstrap. Here I have added two UI components. One is button and another one is a simple table which I have added here. I will remove the title which was added by the application by default. So let me save this one. Let's go to browser. Here you can see there is a button and a table is added here. There is no styles which is applied to this one. We'll make use of Bootstrap here and see how it will transfer simple HTML content into good looking HTML content. So let's go back to our application. Let me stop this one. To install Bootstrap in our Angular application, you can use the option npm install Bootstrap. So this will install Bootstrap 4, which is the latest one. If you want to install any particular version of Bootstrap, you can use the same command npm install Bootstrap and you can append the version which you want to install in your application just like this. But now I am interested in latest version of Bootstrap. I will add npm install Bootstrap it only. Then press enter. Now Bootstrap got installed into our application. The next step we need to do is go to angular.json file. So here in the styles tag, add the Bootstrap link whichever you have installed now. And the third step is go to styles.css file, and here you need to import the Bootstrap whichever you have just now installed. For that one, add import -bootstrap, which will be in distribution folder under CSS. Then you need to import the CSS file of the Bootstrap here, so which will be in the Bootstrap folder. Using import function, import the Bootstrap file here. So that's it you need to do to use the Bootstrap here. Once you define these Bootstrap files in Angular JSON file and styles, so then as we have already defined the Bootstrap classes here, as you can see here, button primary is a Bootstrap class for button, which will turn the normal HTML button into Bootstrap button where some styles will be applied so that it looks good. Similarly, for table, we have a class called table and table strip. So we are applying both classes here so that it looks good here. Now we have already applied Bootstrap classes here. Let me run this application again. Ng serve-open. You can observe that the simple button has converted into Bootstrap button where blue color styles has been applied, and similarly the table also converted to Bootstrap table where some styles are applied here. If you compare the earlier version where we didn't had any styles and with the Bootstrap styles, you can observe that it has converted to beautiful button here and the styles are applied for the table as well. So these are the three simple steps which you need to use. The first step is you need to install the Bootstrap based on the version requirement. Then you need to link the style sheet in the styles of the Angular JSON file. And the third step is you need to import the CSS file in the main style sheet of the Angular application, that is styles.css file. So once you are done with that one, you can define the styles based on the elements which you are going to use in your application. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it to others and subscribe to my channel.